I will go back again to another video lecture on C# programming, and in this video lecture, we'll go ahead and look at logical operators. Alright, so logical operators is one of the best operator we have in C#, and in almost every programming language, we have logical operators, okay? Now, logical operators, the major need of these is to ensure that a certain condition is validated before its execution. Alright, so before you can be able to execute that, it helps you to validate certain decisions you make in programming language. Let's say, for instance, you want to say if A is this and Y is that, then do this. It helps you to check if this is this and this is that before it goes on. So it gives more validity to your program. You can say if A is that or this is this, then do this. Okay, now we have this logical operators. We have the AND operator. It goes with two AND operator sign. Okay, so if we say that X and Y, it shows that the property of X must exactly be what it is, and the property of Y must exactly be what it is before a certain operation is carried out. We have another one, we call that OR. Alright, so go ahead and use the pipe sign to do that. So the OR helps you to check if X is validated or if Y is validated. Any one of these, if that is met, then go ahead and execute your code. It's unlike the first one where two of these must be, X and Y must meet this condition before it can be able to execute. This one checks if X meets the condition or if Y, any one of them, but if both of them miss, then there is no problem, it's fine. Alright, then the next one is NOT. So what this does is, it checks, it reverses the operation. So it reverses the operation. So if have something to be true, this will reverse that to be false. If have it to be false, it will reverse that to be true. In fact, this guy does something wonderful, and sometimes you might think it is not necessary. It's very important, and you will always love to use it again and again. Now let's go ahead. So we have some variables of, let's say, int X equal to 10 plus semicolon, and int Y equal to 15 plus semicolon. Now we have to go ahead, let's say, if we check, you say, if X, alright, so let's go ahead and say, if X is equivalent to 10 and Y is equivalent to 15, that is when a particular operation can be executed. Then we'll go ahead and say console dot write line. Go ahead and implement these to be high, this is true. So high, this is true. Let's go ahead and put another condition. Let's go ahead and say else. Else, you go ahead and say console dots write line. Then you go ahead and say the condition is not met. The condition is not met. Now go ahead and run this code because X and Y are true. Therefore, it's going to say hi, this is true. Alright, see, console that comes up and goes off because we need to put a console dot read key. Go ahead and add console dot read key, and there underscore again. Let's check it out. Hi, this is true. Now, we have x to be equal to 10 and y to be equal to 15. Go ahead and change the value of y to 19. And we say that if x is equivalent to 10 and y is equivalent to 15, then it will go ahead and say this condition is not met. So the condition is not met. And the reason why condition is not met is because y is equal to 19. But here we say that and y equal to 15. So if x equal to 10 and y equal to 15, then let's go ahead and execute this. But y is not equal to 15. Now, if you want to get high, this is true. You go ahead and let's go ahead and use the operator not equal. Alright, so if you use the operator not equal, go ahead and put this right inside the parentheses. Close this. Now, because here y is equal to 19 and here y is equal to 15, this condition is not met. But with the introduction of not sign, which we have explained previously, it will change this to be equal to true. That means it go ahead and say that x equal to 10 and y equal to 15. This is not true, but this condition will go ahead and change that to be true, and it will go ahead and execute this program. Go ahead and run the score and check it out. Hi, this is true. Can you see that? So the not operator helps you to reverse the operation. So if you have true, it will reverse that to false. If you have false, it will reverse that to true. That is what this operator does. Okay? Now go ahead and remove these. Go ahead and remove this. So now we have this. The other way around is to go ahead and use the or. Okay? If x is equal to 10 or y equal to 15. So normally if you use the AND operator, this condition is not true because the condition is not met. But with the introduction of the OR operator, it will go ahead and execute this to be true because at least one of these is met, and that is x, but y is not true. Run this code and check it out. Hi, this is true. This is because x is met, but y is not. It only checks for any one of them. But you go ahead and change this x. You go ahead and change the value of x to be equal to, let's say 11. X is not equal to 10 and y is not equal to 15, so none of this condition meets each other. Run this code and it will change this thing to the condition is not met. The condition is not met. The reason is because neither x nor y is equivalent to is correspondent. That means you have to ensure one of the conditions is met before you can be able to execute that. So that is all about logical operators. So play around with it. It will help you to understand more about the logical operators. And if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section. And I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.